The French ambassador to India, Thierry Mathou, visited Meghalaya for the first time, exploring the sacred groves, monoliths, and heritage village of Mawphlang in the East Khasi Hills. During his trip, Ambassador Mathou trekked over 3 kilometers through the Mawphlang Sacred Grove, guided by Tambor Lyngdoh Mawphlang, head of the Lyngdoh clan of Hima Mawphlang. He showed great interest in the grove's botanical composition, which is protected by deities that forbid immoral activities. The site is also used for ceremonial rituals by the Khasi community. Ambassador Mathou also visited the Mawphlang Dam, where he learned about Meghalaya's progress in rural water supply, achieving 77.15% household connectivity.
First of all, I'm very thankful to the government of Meghalaya and the people of Meghalaya for welcoming me here. It's my first visit to Shillong. You know, France and India have an exceptional relation, and it was important for me to come here in Meghalaya to see what we could do to develop the relation between France and Meghalaya. So we have many ideas. I will have the pleasure to meet in a couple of days His Excellency Chief Minister. We could develop our cooperation, for instance, in the sector of sports. You're a state where sports is very popular. In a couple of months, France will welcome the Olympic Games. I know that in 2026, Meghalaya and Shillong will welcome the Indians. Sports games. So it's something we could do. Culture also is a very good example where we could interact. We have many art and craft, and we want to develop interaction between my country and Meghalaya, and also economy. So I'm very curious I'm just at the beginning of my visit, and I'm very curious to better understand your needs, for instance, in terms of energy transition. You have a capacity to generate hydroelectricity. Actually, the largest companies in the world in this sector, hydro, are French companies. So dealing with water, dealing also with the protection of environment. This morning I had the pleasure to visit a sacred forest. So we have to learn from you, as a matter of fact, how to protect environment, how to protect forest, how to protect biodiversity. So once again, I'm just at the beginning of my visit, but this first visit is really to better understand your state and to see your needs and how we could interact. And then I'm leaving on Monday, and it will be more clear for me to know exactly what we can do.